Hello everyone, I'm Rachna. I'm working as a forensic document examiner at Hawkeye Forensic. Today I'll be taking you through the basics of question documents, including signature verification, handwriting verification, the legal perspectives, and the forensic tools that we use for the examination. So question document, it is a branch of forensic science which deals with the examination of documents whose authenticity of origin is in doubt. So it includes verification of handwriting, signatures, identifying the hidden writing, similarly detecting forgery. So in simple terms, it helps court to determine whether this document is original or fake. Why do we need document examination? So handwriting and signature are unique to every individual, just like fingerprints. By studying the minute details, the style, pattern, the forensic expert can verify whether this document belongs to that particular individual or whether it has been forged. We receive a lot of cases in our lab like will, sales deed, gift deed, then certificates, check for examination purpose. The examination of document is very important for detecting forgery, to identify the source and type of paper, for identifying the relative age of ink, and to detecting whether the document or the certificates that they provided is fake or original. Examination process of a document. First, the document examiner collects the question document and the genuine documents. And then we go for the scientific analysis, visual analysis, microscopic analysis, similarly instrumental analysis. Once that is done, we go for the comparison of the question document with the standard documents. And the final step is drafting the report and court testimony. The opinion of the forensic examiner is admissible under Section 39 of BSA in India. To achieve accurate result, forensic examiner uses wide variety of tools and instruments for the examination purpose. Like VSC, Video Spectral Comparator, it uses different kinds of filters and different light sources for the examination of ink, alteration, obliteration, signature verification. So the other tools that we use for examination is like the Linen tester we use, similarly microscope to identify the minute details and characteristics of the documents, similarly the fibers of the documents. And the other instruments we use are like the transmitted light sources, which helps to examine the watermarks, similarly the hidden features by transmitting light through the document. And we also perform UV examination of documents to identify the fluorescent property of the documents. Any alterations can also be detected using the UV examination. So that's a quick look into how forensic examiner examine documents to identify the truth.